In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access on Hostinger. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll confidently invite a collaborator and set the right level of permissions, all without exposing anything you don't intend to share. First, open your browser and head to Hostinger's hPanel, then sign into your account. Make sure you're using your primary account credentials, and if you have it enabled, complete any two-factor authentication prompts. It's a good idea to have the email address of the person you want to work with ready, and only grant access to people you trust with your hosting assets. Once you're in hPanel, look to the left-hand menu and click on Account Sharing. This page is where Hostinger centralizes access controls so you can collaborate safely. If you manage multiple sites or services, this section helps you avoid sharing your main login while still letting someone help with tasks like website management or troubleshooting. Inside Account Sharing, locate the card labeled Request Access and click the button on it. Hostinger uses this area to start the access workflow, and the button will open a small form for the details you need to provide. The interface may vary slightly, but you'll see a simple set of fields to complete before confirming. When prompted, enter the email address of the person you want to collaborate with. Type it carefully and double-check for typos. Access is tied to this email, and a small mistake can send the invite to the wrong place. If the person already uses Hostinger with that email, the invitation will link directly to their account. If not, they'll be guided to set things up on their side before they can proceed. Next, choose the role from the two available options, then confirm. Roles define what the invited person can and cannot do. One option typically offers limited, safer access for tasks like viewing settings or working on a site without touching sensitive billing or ownership details. The other option generally provides broader control for active management, such as configuring services or making changes across your hosting setup. Select the least privileged role that still lets them do their job, and then submit your choice to finalize. After you confirm, Hostinger sends the invitation to the email you entered. The recipient will need to accept it before access becomes active. You can always return to the account sharing page later to review who has access, adjust their role, or remove access if a project ends. That's it. You've given access on Hostinger in a secure, controlled way with clear permissions that match the work your collaborator needs to do.